What if death wasn't inevitable? What if aging was just a biological problem, one that scientists are actively solving right now? Every human body is running on a timer, and that timer isn't in your heart or your brain. It's written inside every single one of your cells. These are called telomeres. They're the protective caps sitting at the ends of your chromosomes. Think of them exactly like the plastic tips on your shoelaces. Every time your cells divide, those caps get a little shorter, a little more worn down. When they're completely gone, the cell dies. And that process, happening trillions of times across your body, that's what aging actually is. In 1984, scientist Elizabeth Blackburn discovered an enzyme called telomerase capable of rebuilding those caps. That discovery earned her the Nobel Prize in 2009. Now here's where it gets insane. What if we could permanently activate that enzyme in every cell? Theoretically, the cell would never die. But there's a terrifying catch. Cancer cells already do exactly this. They're biologically immortal, and that's precisely what makes them so deadly. The road to immortality runs right next to the road to cancer. This is where CRISPR-Cas9 enters the picture, the most powerful biological editing tool ever created. Jennifer Doudna and Emmanuel Charpentier won the Nobel Prize for it in 2020. Scientists are now using CRISPR to edit the specific genes responsible for aging without triggering cancer. Harvard's Dr. David Sinclair is leading this charge. But aging has another weapon: senescent cells, cells that refuse to die but also refuse to function. They just sit there, leaking toxic signals into surrounding tissue. Scientists literally call them zombie cells. Researchers at the Mayo Clinic discovered that clearing these zombie cells from mice didn't just extend their lifespan, it actually made them biologically younger. And this isn't theory anymore. Scientists extended the lifespan of a tiny worm called C. elegans by 10 times using a single gene mutation. Scaled to humans, that's 800 years of life. Drop yes in the comments if you knew, or mind blown if you didn't. In 2013, Google quietly launched a secret research lab called Calico. Their sole mission: reverse human aging. Their budget? Billions of dollars. No deadline. Dr. Sinclair's research points to a molecule called NAD+, naturally present in your cells, but declining with age. Restoring it could dramatically slow the aging process at a cellular level. In 2013, Steve Horvath discovered the Epigenetic Clock, a way to read DNA methylation patterns and calculate your true biological age. Not the number on your birthday cake, your actual cellular age. And in 2023, a Harvard team actually reversed that clock in living mice. Old, deteriorated eyes regained their vision. Optic nerve cells regenerated. For the first time in history, aging was run backwards. Today, over 700 longevity startups are operating worldwide. Jeff Bezos, Peter Thiel, the world's most powerful people are pouring billions into this science. Because whoever cracks immortality first may become the most powerful human in history. So, can humans actually become immortal? Science is saying this: biological aging is a programmable process, and anything that can be programmed can be reprogrammed. Death may not be inevitable, it may just be an unsolved equation. And right now, in labs across the world, scientists are solving it. One cell, one gene, one experiment at a time. Follow the channel for more mind-bending science, and drop a comment telling us what topic you want next. Every comment shapes the next video.